Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how to make a background transparent using Photoshop. So we're going to be using two images. One is this orange with a simple white background, and the other one is this lily that has a complex background. So the very first thing that we have to keep in mind is unlock the background or create a different layer. So to do that, double click over here, you get a new layer option, click OK and see. Now we have created a layer named layer 0. Now select this magic wand tool over here, okay? Or if you couldn't see it, then press the right button on your mouse and here you get the magic wand tool. Click on the white background and you can see there is an outer selection. Press delete. Now you can see that this has been converted into a PNG background, and for this we'll again click over here and press delete and delete. So here we have the PNG image or an image with a transparent background. Now there is another way to do all this stuff. What you can do is select the quick selection tool, click on the orange and simply drag it like this. Now go to the select button, click inverse and delete. Here we get it. Let's move to another example. Now as this image has a very complex background, so you can see that the magic wand tool won't work properly. So what you can do is select the magnetic lasso tool, zoom in and select the image like this. Okay, so one thing that I forgot to do is create a different layer. Now zoom out, again go to select, inverse and then press delete. So here you can see we have an image with a transparent background. So this was a quick tutorial on how to make a background transparent using Photoshop. Thank you.